My name is Solveig Ray from Cascadia Windows Doors, one of several Passive House certified people at our office. Glad to be here today for once the Passive House conference in Vancouver, our home city. So I'm going to go quickly through an overview of what we do at Cascadia. You can see on this slide here, tiny little logos. We use fiberglass as a material to produce all of our high-performance building envelope components because we see it as the best material to deliver thermal performance and structural capability needed for the high-performance commercial market. You can see the little logos for Passive House certified, red list-free, healthy materials, and then low embodied carbon as well with EPDs, et cetera. So I'll talk a little bit about what those products are that we make. You can see windows, very large windows, and window wall for large institutional buildings, high-rise construction as well, and storefront windows there as well, which you can insert commercial doors by others into the system. Not to be forgotten, if windows are the weak link in the thermal envelope, the second weakest are the connections back to the structure to support the cladding as we push to higher performance. That insulation goes on the outside. So you can see the Cascadia clip there on that image on the right. And we have webinars dedicated to all these topics that I encourage you to register for to learn more. Here's just a little snippet of a few Passive House projects that Cascadia has been involved with in Vancouver that we're very proud of. And for those who are in person and will be going on the project tours, you'll be able to see the Artist Hub and Cole Harbour up close and personal today. The middle building, I just wanted to highlight the Chief Leonard George building, which was a completely prefabricated assembly, also part of some of the talks at the show this week. And specifically, the Juliet balcony that you can see there is one of Cascadia's more recent innovations, also on the Cole Harbour project on the right, which you can't see as well, but it is there. Just as we drive to push high-performance options and also make them economical, this is one of those key innovations. And other innovations to be aware of from Cascadia, window connection as we push windows out in Passive House into the thermal envelope to improve performance. The sill support is a unique challenge that we've found an elegant solution for with using the cladding support component, the clip, under the window. So you can see it there on an actual install in a high-rise in Ottawa with a 20-story building, triple glazed windows, and it's a very sturdy solution there to support the window load and be practically thermal bridge free. In the middle, Cascadia is working with vacuum insulated glass options to when your thermal triple glazing doesn't quite get you there, you now have the option to bump that glass performance up by confining vacuum insulated glass into your IGU to get upwards of R12 from your window assembly. And lastly, as we think about not just thermal and energy sustainability, resilience in our buildings with many jurisdictions having, buildings wanting to resist wildfire. California has new testing and standards around this. We have done a lot of testing and discovered that fiberglass is also a great material for resisting wildfires. And I'll finish off just by saying we have a lot of learning material at Cascadia. We have many webinars that you can sign up for to learn more about all of these topics. So I encourage you to do so. Just a little screenshot here of our webinars page on our website. So please do be curious and don't hesitate to reach out. We're here at the show. For those here, you can see our products up close at our booth. Thanks very much.